Hi friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and on this channel you will find the hottest offers and the best market prices in the Alicante region for properties. Well, today friends, I want to show you a hot offer for those who don't want to invest hundreds of thousands of euros into a property here in Spain. Today I will show you a property for just 49,000, right? Was it 49? 49,000 euros. A studio apartment with beautiful sea views over the Mediterranean Sea. You have nice palm trees here. Your location is very nice. We're located in Torre La Mata, in the upper side of La Mata. So if you know our videos, we are doing a lot of videos here in La Mata and Torre La Mata because, well, we love this area. We have a beautiful beach which is a lot of kilometers long. We have a wild beach here in La Mata. Beside the beach, by the way, we also have a pool, so the property is offering a pool inside the community. We have several bars, restaurants. We have just here the famous Magani restaurant, 24-hour supermarket here. We have typical Spanish tapas bars here. We have an ATM here. We even have a bus station here directly in front of this building. So the bus station will lead you anywhere you want, to Torrevieja, to La Mata, to Lasagna Boulevard. So actually anywhere you want. Well, the beach, by the way, if you go down this way on the left side, you will come to the beach within, I think, 5 minutes by walk. So it's also very close to the beach. You're leaving the street directly to the N332, to the main road, and you go straight to the airport within 35 minutes. So the location is very good. We have in Torrevieja actually no criminality. So the criminal rate is very low here in Torrevieja La Mata, so it's a pretty safe place to buy. And nowadays it's very important to invest your money, even if you don't have so much money in accounts. If you even have 50,000 or 55,000, buy this property to save your money from inflation. Buy this property as an inflation protection, because no one knows what will happen, but the fact is we have 10% inflation monthly, so you're losing a lot of money every month. You're not having a property, you're having money in your account. Okay, and well, that was the general information about the area, and now we will check out the property because it's very small, it's not so big. We don't have, look, the market, we don't have so much properties below 50,000. I think we have only one or two, so this is one of them because the price raised a lot. No one wants to sell nowadays. It's pretty hard to get a property, pretty hard to get a good listing here in this area, especially for this kind of prices. And now we got one, and directly I'm going to make the video for you guys. And well, enjoy the video, take a look at La Mata, and now friends, let's check out the property out from inside. Let's go. The small property tour, we will start directly, well, it's a studio apartment. We have no bedroom, we have no hallway, we have actually nothing. Nothing is offering this property, also only what this bed, a small, let's say, living room, okay, you have a small sofa here, and fitted in wardrobe, kitchen, but the most important part is that this studio is offering a nice balcony, 4 square meters or 5, and we have sea views, the same sea views, well, actually almost the same sea views, which you just saw from the top where we started. You can see palm trees, you can see the sea, and actually a pretty nice location. You have very nice buildings in front of it, so nothing no destroyed buildings. Everything is pretty fine. The property is pretty dark. I'm very sorry that the video will be dark because the owner turned the light off, so he doesn't pay any electricity, so I can't turn the lights on to show the property more detailed. Well, the air conditioning installed, very important, and a nice sized kitchen. We have oven here, you can even put a dishwasher here, we have the washing machine there, the fridge, microwave, and also here the bathroom with its bathtub. And well, it's pretty dark, you can't see it, but it's a nice sized bathroom. I think it's around 7 square meters or 6, so it's a pretty nice sized bathroom. Well, that was a small property tour, nothing more special to say about that. And you can put your table here. The only bad thing, if you watch this video until now, if you're still interested or you're thinking, wow, 49,000, I'm going to buy that, hang on, because we are on the 3rd floor and we have no elevator. So you have to walk all the stairs up to the third floor, and now you're on the property. So actually another negative point is that you have the staircase, that this kind of stairway or staircase is taking like some centimeters, well, a meter I think, from the view away. You see that? And well, this is only the two bad things about the property, but anyway, you have to see your advantages, you have to see the money you invested here, just 49,000, and well, the location. When you buy in Spain, remember, location, location, location. And good properties and a good location actually never are selling. You won't see any selling site, a sign on this building, because this is the only property which is actually for sale. And we are offering you the best offers and the hottest offers here on this channel. So subscribe this channel, comment this video, which is very important for us. We want to see your reaction. We want to see if you like the videos, and we are putting a lot of effort into our videos. And well, we are doing 3 videos a week, so you will see a lot of content here in the near future, and good properties we got. Also my, well, the colleague Jeff is now doing also videos, so watch out his content also, what he's doing. Subscribe this channel, comment this video. See you soon. And sign in Spain.